Hi everyone. I often get asked a really interesting question is how do I extend my photographic sessions when I'm traveling? And one of the great ways to do that is to actually get rain or weatherproof gear. Now, lenses are expensive, the ones that are weather sealed. However, it does allow you to photograph in pretty much any weather, including snow. So what I do is I suggest that people get used gear. And used gear can actually be quite good. All I have to do is, get them from a reputable dealer and you're all set. And the value of the weather sealing is that you don't have to go in when it's raining and you can go out in the streets and capture some amazing photos, especially because a lot of fantastic photos are taken when it's raining. So, for example, I use the WR lenses from Fujifilm. However, most camera manufacturers do have their own weather sealed gear.